A warm welcome to my class 2 students. Children, today in moral science we are going to continue with lesson number 1, being a good student. What we have done in the previous class? Yes, we have discussed the qualities of a good student. So the qualities were: make sure you study, pay attention in class, finish assignments on time, listen to your teacher, ask for help, respect your classmate, and always try your best. And I know all my lovely children are following these good qualities. So today, children, in our MSc class, we are going to read a story. A story about a good student who became the President of India. I know from the picture you have guessed. Yes, he was none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now let's read the story. Abdul Kalam was born in a poor family. His father was a boatman. His meager income was not enough for the family. Kalam at that time was studying in a rural primary school at Rameshwaram. The children, here two difficult words are used, that are meager, which means small amount of income. His father was earning very small amount of income. And the second one is rural. Rural means village area. So Abdul Kalam's school was in a village. Later, he was admitted in a Ramanathapuram missionary school. In spite of the problems caused by poverty, Kalam was doing better in his studies. To meet the expenses of the school, he started hawking newspapers. He was a brilliant student. His teachers loved him very much. So children, here poverty means the state of being poor, and hawking means to sell something. So who pays your school fees? Yes, your parents pays your school fees. But here Kalam was very poor. Still he used to go to school. So to meet the expenses of the school, he started selling newspaper. Now at school also he was a brilliant student. All his teachers loved him. After completing his schooling, he graduated in science. He worked very hard and became one of the best scientists of our country. He was elected the 11th President of India in 2002. Children, can you see? Even though he was poor, he became the scientist, and in 2002, he was elected the 11th President of India. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of our country, on 27 July 2015 at the age of 83. When he was attending a seminar at the Indian Institute of Management at Shillong, Meghalaya. He passed away due to cardiac arrest. The whole country mourned his death. We will never forget this great soul of India. So children, here mourned means feeling sad for someone's death. So this was the story of Abdul Kalam. You should take inspiration from Abdul Kalam and work hard. You should also try to be a good student. So children, you have read that at the age of 83, he was attending a seminar. So what have you learned from this story? We have learned that how discipline and hard work leads to successful and fruitful life. So always remember this story, how Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam became a scientist, an engineer, professor, author, president, and a good human being. Children, let's do the exercise. A part, color the circle for the correct answer. First question is, we should become a dash student. Options are good, bad or naughty. The correct answer is good. Second one, we should reach school dash, late, on time, either A or B. Correct answer is on time. Third one is, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam became the dash of India. Options are President, Prime Minister or Vice President. So what is the correct answer? It is President of India. Fourth sentence is, we should wear dash to go to our school. Dirty uniforms, torn uniforms, neat and tidy uniforms. So the correct answer is neat and tidy uniforms. B part, write true or false for the statement. First question is, we should respect and obey our teachers. Yes, we should do that. So it is true. Second one, a good student studies properly and honestly. So children, this sentence is also true. Third one, we should miss our class. Oh, we should never miss our class. So the statement is false. Fourth one, a good student keeps his school books and copies at their proper place. Yes, it is true. We should keep our books and copies at a proper place. Last sentence, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a good student. So this sentence is also 100% true. Children, note that C part, answer the following questions is deleted.